Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video, you're going to learn how to build a website from scratch in 3 simple steps. In the end of the video, you'll be able to create your own website, your own blog, or create your own online business website. And at the end of the video, you'll be able to create websites like this, or like this. Okay, so let's begin. So step one is selecting a domain. So basically domain is like your website name, like google.com, yahoo.com. So we are going to select our domain. So to start, just click the link below this video to just get started. So the first thing is just click on get started. And I would always recommend that you have to go with this one because it has unlimited websites. In future, if you want to make more websites, you could use this. It has everything free SSL and free everything. So I would select this one, and then you have to select create a new domain. If you already have purchased a domain, you need to put your domain here, but for us, we're going to create a new domain, and that's going to be my name. I'm going to create my website, so that's yavarkhan.com. I'm going to click on next, and I'll fill in all the information, or you could just click on sign in with Google. So it's much better that I would sign in with Google, and then I'm going to choose Yavarkhan, and then yes, allow. And as you could see, just close. Everything is filled. So just fill everything in and just select. I would just go with 12 months right now. It's $7.95 per month, and I would fill in all my information. Yavarkhan. To fill in your information, you could choose if you need domain protection, site log. I would say just select everything. SEO tool start, Microsoft Office, and the tool is going to be 119. I would suggest you need to pay this amount of money just because the reason we are going to select Bluehost is the first thing is it gives us a free domain, free SSL, one-click WordPress install. This is what we are going to use to create our website. Then if you go on WordPress hosting, and trust me, I've tried this hosting and it's really fast. And again, if your website is fast, it will help you rank #1 in Google, and everything is provided. There's WordPress help, the free SSL, again unlimited domains. You get $200 of Google ads, and also free SSL. That's the most important thing. And the second thing, if you go to wordpress.org, so this is a drag and drop website builder. If you see, this is the #1 recommended web hosting. Again, just to pay that price and rank #1 in Google would be much better rather than just using some other hosting. So I would just suggest go with Bluehost. So once you have purchased it, this is the page you would get. Everything is included in it, and you'll get a confirmation on your email ID, and then you can just create an account. So once you enter your username and password, this is what you will get. You just have to say what is the name of your website. It's going to be Yavarkhan. Okay, and what's your site tagline? It's optional, but I would say create your online business. Do you want a blog or do you want an online store? I would say I would go with a blog. Okay, display blog as my home page or as a different page. I would suggest just leave it as my home page and continue. And then it will ask you create websites, whatever it is. I would just select other, or I would select promote my business, my skills or organization, and continue to, and just say yes, I'm very comfortable creating a website. Continue to theme selection, and everything is just for you. So currently we are going to select Astra, and this is a free theme, by the way. So once you put your login information, this is the dashboard. What you have to do is just click on WordPress. Your WordPress website would load. So this is the backend of the WordPress. What you have to do is if you click on appearance themes, this is the Astra theme what we install. So the next thing is we would install a plugin. Just click on plugin, add new. Plugin would help you customize your theme. It will help you drag and drop and make changes to your website, and we would type Astra again. Just click here. We would select the Astra starter sites, install now. So it will take time to install. Let's install, activate. Once it's activated, just click on see library. So these are ready-made websites for you, which would be very easy for you to start. And as I told you previously in the beginning of the video, you would be able to create websites like this, and this, as I told you. So again, let's go back over here. I would select whatever business you're in, but I want to create a blog, so I would create a blog. If you want, you could create an e-commerce website as well. I would select blog, and I would go with this one. It looks good. I would select everything, and I would click this as well and just import the site. So again, it says it will take approximately 2 to 10 minutes depending on the size of the website. You just have to wait. So now after this is complete, you can just click on the website, and this will take you to the website. And it's really easy right now. If you could just come over here, edit with Elementor. Remember the plugin we installed? That's the plugin which is going to load. And as you could see, create your I could just click over here, create your own online business. Okay, and then if you want, it's very easy. You could just right click, delete, read more, and then let's create your own. You could just make changes to it. It's really easy. You could create, edit if you want. If you want to change this image, click over here. You can create style, and you could see the image. If I don't want the image, you could just remove this and just update, and then the changes are done, and voila, your website is done. But before we forget, okay, so now one more thing I wanted to say. This is done. You have updated your website, and then once you go back over here, exit to dashboard, and as you could see, if I click over here, it's still showing me this domain. This is not my domain, and if I type yavarkhan.com, it's gonna take me over here. So what you have to do is just copy this, go to settings, go to general, and just put your website URL, your email address, and also make sure, as per Bluehost, this is a coming soon page, and you can just switch it off. Just save the changes, and then just click visit website, and voila, as you could see, let's create your online business. And then it's very easy to edit. So this is how you create a WordPress website. If you really like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And before I forget, I have a free gift for you. I have created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. It's an in-depth detail, a step-by-step instructions on how you could create it, and it's free, and link is in the bio, so don't forget to click it. And thank you.